Microsoft is an extremely large company and they have a very big real estate portfolio. So we provide IT and technology services for the real estate and security team inside Microsoft. And within that, I am the program manager for the data and the data management and the data platform there. Our team is in a stage where a lot of the information that we currently have was not available before. So there were different vendor and external services teams. And as we have taken over, we decided to build a warehouse, a data warehouse. And we have started to onboard more and more pieces of information. So for the last 7 or 8 months, I've had a few of our engineers who have taken some of our data and created some models out of it. If I want to be able to talk back to them or even understand or take the case to my business partners and see if there's a business problem and make a case for certain things, I needed to have a little bit broader understanding of what is possible, what are the things available, how much effort is worth the amount of gains that you might be able to get. At the end of the bootcamp 5 days now, I definitely feel more aware of concepts, potential problems, and I think the biggest value is the translation from the concepts to examples. Combined with an exercise, you have homework and kind of trying to apply it, this gives some confidence to make a start. However small, but make a start.